Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash seems to get now this fifth wave that we've been talking about over the last few days. We defined some micro support around $229 and then $217. Then there is $210. These are the next support areas where somewhere, I guess this wave 5 of wave C at least should show us a reaction. And as soon as we see a reaction and it's impulsive, it could be a breakout signal, but we won't probably be able to confirm that this current pullback, which I see just as a correction at the moment in a wave C of a wave 4, that this is over at some point, yeah, and then the breakout to the upside would take us higher in a wave 5, yeah, of a larger C wave, which could end the rally, to be honest. So one more high could end the rally. If we have an established low in place here, I will be able to define a target. At the moment, this is still from previous videos, because obviously if it drops a little lower, I have to redefine the target. It wouldn't change much. It's sort of around $390 is sort of at least my nominal target. It's always a bit of a moving target, because once we have the subwaves in place for that fifth wave, or once they develop, yeah, for this fifth wave in yellow, once the subwaves develop, we can be a little bit more precise with regards to the target. At the moment, yeah, I haven't even got a low in place for wave 4, and I need that to be able to calculate the target for the fifth wave. So the idea is we're coming down in this descending wedge. Surely there are different ways of looking at it, and very recently it looks more like a channel or something, but that doesn't matter so much. I think what you can see here is that it's very choppy, the move down. And that's typically what we want to see. It takes a long time, especially after a long rally like that. So that's actually not too bad, as long as it's holding $183. So I'm not telling you it will come down all the way to that level, but that is really the key bullish support. A break below the 50% retracement would be too deep for a reliable wave 4, and it would rather indicate that it's breaking down already. Bear in mind what I said, this is not a very good long-term chart, and also the move that we currently look at, I currently count that rather as a larger corrective structure in a larger fourth wave, which could give us another fifth wave to the downside. So I'm looking at this as an ABC structure. However, if after the next high we can get another higher low and another higher high, then I have to revise the larger degree assumption. That's not a problem. I would remain bullish short term as long as we hold above $183. Then we can track short-term bullish scenarios, and that might mean a shift in the larger degree scenario as well, but only if successful. For me, it's a bit like, this chart needs to prove itself because it has some long-term weakness, but nevertheless, we have a very clearly defined pivot point here, $183. That is the level that decides between one more high, at least one more high in this current rally, and a drop to potentially even new bear market lows. So it's a very clear level. If you get closer to that level, then it's a better reward to risk ratio to the upside, yeah, from a trade point of view. Below that level, however, it is at risk of breaking, okay, increased risk of breaking. We currently see the microstructure work out. So we already talked in previous videos about, okay, one more low would be likely here. At the moment, we have a little bit of a maybe double bottom, but it's not even confirmed yet, and they rarely hold. So at the moment, I would fully expect this to go a little lower. And again, support would be around 229, 217, and 210. I'm not sure if we get all the way down to 210, but it's of course possible. It can use the entire orange box if it needs to. Yeah, that's my update about Bitcoin Cash. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.